Welcome back to my closet. Today we're going to organize and declutter all of my two-piece sets. And they range from very casual to very fancy. So let's get right into it. Outfit number 1 is from 12th Tribe. This is so perfect for a vacation, a fancy night out. I just recently got this and it's a yes. This white set is so gorgeous. Again, really good for vacation. Could be good for like bridal stuff too. It's from the brand Commence and it's a yes. We might have all yeses this round, but I can't help it if I like it. I'm not getting rid of it. This yellow set is so cute, perfect for spring or for Easter. It's from Cider, and we have another yes. I have a hard time getting rid of this because I bought it in Bali, so it's a little sentimental, but I'm never gonna wear it again, so we have our first no. This is a cute little elevated lounge set, high-waisted pants with the turtleneck. This is great for comfy winter functions. It's a yes. This is a really nice blazer and skirt set from 12th Tribe. It's great for when I need something fancy, so we're giving it a yes. Another really comfy lounge set, but the pants are too short on me, so we're gonna go no. We have our second no. Another blazer set with the cute little matching skirt. This is vibes, and it's a yes. Again, pants are too short. Because of that, I'll never wear it, so we have our third no. This triple tie brown linen set is so cute. It's a yes. A Gap sweat set? Yes. Another Gap sweat set? It's a yes. This is like a towel material, could be like for a bathing suit cover up. I wear it a lot out on our boat in the summer. It's from Pretty Little Thing and it's a yes. I just recently got this set from Altered State. I love the asymmetrical top. So cute and comfy. It's an absolute yes. This is really, really cute. It's very showy and I just feel like I would never actually wear it in public. And this part's kind of big on me, so I think we're gonna go no. I used to wear this set all the time, but it's a little overdone. You know when you just wear something too much and then you don't like it anymore? We have our fifth no. This little green set is perfect for vacation. It's a yes. Next up, we have this super fun, like silky graphic set. It's giving Vegas. My sister actually gave this to me and I haven't worn it yet, so I'm definitely keeping it. It's a yes. Another fun silky graphic set. This is so good for vacation. Nothing better than comfy and cute. It's a yes. This striped linen set is so cute for vacation or for the summer. I haven't had the chance to wear it yet, so it's a yes. I think this set shrunk in the wash. I can't even get the top to zip, so it's a no by default. Okay, this is adorable. Look at the back. It's a yes. I think we're about halfway done. This is getting kind of long, so come back for part 2.